How dry fasting unlocks spiritual clarity and alignment. What most people don't know. Have you ever fasted and still felt spiritually disconnected? You prayed, you worshipped, you waited, yet your mind was cloudy. Your heart was distracted, and you couldn't feel God clearly. It's frustrating, but here is what most people never learn. There is a major difference between fasting with water and fasting without water when it comes to spiritual sensitivity. Today, I'm going to show you the secret behind that difference and how dry fasting positions you to hear God with clarity. Stay with me. Section 1. Why dry fasting feels more spiritually intense. When you stop eating and drinking, your body immediately enters a deep internal reset. There are 3 things that happen spiritually. 1. The body quiets its physical demands. Your biggest daily distraction is physical satisfaction, food, water, cravings. When those needs are paused, your spirit stops fighting the body for attention. A quiet body equals a sensitive spirit. 2. You enter a space of surrender. Dry fasting is literally saying, Lord, I depend on you, not food. It is a physical expression of spiritual trust. Biblically, every major spiritual encounter, breakthrough, direction, healing, happened in moments where natural comforts were surrendered. Dry fasting places you in that posture. 3. Your spiritual antenna becomes sharp. Your spirit is no longer competing with food digestion, physical stimulation, hydration cycles, constant appetite triggers. What remains is clarity. That is why people report prophetic clarity, inner peace, clearer decision making, faster spiritual discernment, deep conviction, emotional release. Section 2. What blocks spiritual clarity during fasting? Sometimes people fast but still feel dull or disconnected. These are common spiritual blockers. 1. Fasting with bitterness or anger still inside. Your spirit knows the truth even if your mouth is praying. Forgiveness unlocks clarity. 2. Fasting while living in distraction. Fasting without spiritual engagement feels like starvation. Engage. Worship, scripture meditation, journaling, quiet reflection. 3. Fasting without intention. You don't fast just to fast. Ask God, what should I lay down? What should I see? What are you correcting in me? What am I preparing for? Intention focuses spiritual energy. Section 3. How to connect with God during a dry fast. Let's make it simple. Here is a step-by-step spiritual routine. Step 1. Begin with silence. Just sit quietly. Let the mind slow down. Allow God's presence to settle over you. Before you speak, listen. Step 2. Pray short and sincere prayers. Not dramatic prayers. Simple ones. Examples: Lord, show me what I need to release. Father, reveal direction. Lord, align me. Short prayers often penetrate deeper. Step 3. Open scriptures slowly. Don't rush chapters. Read a small passage and meditate on it. Example: Psalms, Proverbs, Gospel teachings, Isaiah, Ephesians. Just one verse can open revelation. Step 4. Journal what you sense. Write these impressions, ideas, scripture meaning, instructions. Documenting creates accountability. Step 5. End with gratitude. Because fasting is not punishment. It is communion. Thank you for helping me fast. Thank you for clarity. Thank you for strength. This seals the experience. Section 4. What spiritual clarity feels like. It may not come loudly. It may not be dramatic. Often it feels like a knowing, a gentle conviction, a scripture that suddenly makes sense. Peace settling into your decisions. Emotional release, confidence in direction, a shift in desire, boldness. Many people mistake clarity for loudness. But spiritual clarity is softness with certainty. Section 5. Why this matters for you. Maybe right now you're confused about something. Your calling, next season, relationship decision, financial direction, spiritual assignment. Dry fasting helps eliminate noise so you stop guessing and start discerning. Sometimes what you need is not another opinion, but silence. Not more information, but revelation. Call to action, CTA. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Because in the next video, we are addressing something extremely important: how to break a dry fast safely and without damage. The step-by-step post-fast blueprint. Many people ruin their results after fasting. That video will protect your progress. So don't miss it.